to Mr. T.D. Jagannathan, chairman of the company, is with us from Bangalore. So thanks very much. Prashant, this side. Could you just run us through how the quarter was for you and how you saw the quarter? Because as I said, second quarter was at least perceived to be pretty weak.
Yes, actually the third quarter was also very tough because the Tamil Nadu market has just packed up. The drop in the market is about 40%. I was in the market recently and the dealers all report 40% drop in sales because there is really no power at all in Tamil Nadu. But we bounced back in all other regions extremely strongly to show this performance.
No, you said the Tamil Nadu market is packed up. That's what you...
Packed up, PAC. Yeah.
Packed up. That's pretty strong, sir.
Yes.
That's pretty strong.
I am being very strong. It is a strong thing I want to say, yes.
Yeah, no, but so what is this a function of, and could you just talk about...
Power. There is no power at all in Tamil Nadu. In large parts of Tamil Nadu, there is 18 hours of load shedding. So industries have closed down, agriculture has closed down. So it is really a very bad situation.
And how important is Tamil Nadu for TTK Prestige in terms of sales?
It is our biggest market, unfortunately.
I mean, how large could you give me?
Considering that Tamil Nadu market has dropped by 40%, that we have shown a 31% growth in the quarter is commendable.
Right, and it continues to be, down 40% or so as you finish the quarter. As you said, you recently were there. Most dealers are telling you the same thing.
Yes.
So I'm assuming that is very recent feedback.
Till the power situation improves, it will continue to be like they expect that power situation will improve when Kudankulam starts generating power, which should be in this quarter.
Which should be in this particular quarter. That's,
yes.
And that's the biggest market. I mean, is that more than 50% of your sales, sir? Is that market?
No. It's about 23% of our total sales.
Okay, 23% of your total sales. But sometime during this quarter, you expect the situation to improve. So where did the growth come from? You're still posting 30% plus growth, top line.
All the other markets responded extremely well, especially North, East and West responded extremely well. We actually grew by 100% in the North and 100% in the East in the quarter.
Wow, I mean that's very strong. So I mean, if Tamil Nadu comes back, then you're back very strongly, I am assuming.
Yes, we're looking forward to that.
There are some analysts who are talking about the cap on LPG, which has also helped revive demand for induction cooktops. What could you just run us through this?
Yes,
I mean, how significant a booster
one
is
of the
this?
reasons why. Yeah, it is a major booster. That's one of the reasons why the markets in the North and East have grown so significantly.
And how important is this product, induction cooktop, for you? It
accounts for about 20% of our sales.
20% of our sales. And could you run us how much has this segment grown in the quarter compared to the average growth rate?
Actually, in this quarter, we've grown by 30% in induction cooktops.
And what do you usually do, sir? What is the usual rate of growth for the segment?
There is no usual for induction cooktop because the product is only 2 years old in the country. So it's only very recent, so I can't give you a usual growth. So some quarters growth rate has been 200%, some quarters growth rate has been 20%.
Okay, got it. So your margins are down, right?
Yes.
About 60 basis points compared to the September ended period. Could you run us through? Gross margins are down as well. What is that a function of?
There are two functions. Our major factories are in Tamil Nadu, and because of the severe power shortage, we've had to generate all our electricity through diesel generators. That has cost us about 3 crores more for the quarter. And also because of the serious problems in Tamil Nadu, we've had to discount extra in Tamil Nadu to maintain our market share. So those were the two reasons why this quarter has been bad. So when the power situation in Tamil Nadu improves, all this should go away.
And you should be growing margins, not seeing margins shrinking once the Tamil Nadu situation is back.
Yes.
Okay. Could you just run us through details on working capital? What was underlying volume growth in the quarter for the company?
Volume growth, it depends upon the product, isn't it? I mean, we're in several different products.
No, overall.
You see, you can't compare a pressure cooker with a ladle.
No, I'm
One
saying...
is 1,000 rupees, the other is 30 rupee product.
No, obviously, I'm just... So let's compare like to like. Overall volume growth for all the whole portfolio.
Overall volume growth, you could say that roughly the volume growth would have been about 23-24% because price increase were about 6-7%. Since the value growth was about 31%, volume growth would have been 24-25%.
Okay, that's what I was looking for. Thanks very much, sir. Thanks for those details. Appreciate you joining in with those details.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.